Hi, my name is Justin Number Flores. I am the founder of Value Creator. So, a brief background about myself. I've been working with content creators, UGC creators, for influencers for the past 2 years. So, before we started creating this platform, it was a service-based model. They hired us to do the task, and then we deliver. That's it. But to be honest, before I started, I'm very thankful to the first client who hired me without experience. So let's name him Damian. I'm very thankful to you, to be honest. It's because without you, nothing I have created right now will be born. Or anyway, so Damian provided me the guidelines and everything, the basic idea how to be an assistant to a UGC creator, right? So from there, I grow the system. I created my system. I have my own discovery until such time that the service focuses on saving time. Now, I was able to provide another venue to increase the revenue of our clients. So last year, that was the start of the new system that I created to making sure that every check-in, every checkpoint to increase the revenue of the client will be reached. So last year, the same time, November, we hit a problem. There's a lot of human errors. I think it's very usual, normal to hit that kind of problem. It's because we are growing from just handling 10 clients at a time, 15, to handle the maximum of 34 clients. So the human error, there's a lot of slept through. That's why I have this thinking, why not start create our own platform that removes human intervention to some tasks. But while doing that, I discovered that this something can be created without totally 100% human intervention to provide a certain service. So that's why Value Creator was created. Here in the Google, you can search our platform by putting Value Creator Agency. So the first thing that you will see is our agency. So this one. So as you can see, there's an AI overview about our platform. As the goal of our platform is, yes, to increase the revenue of our clients. This is our homepage, as you can see. We help creators increase the revenue, so that's the main goal of our platform. That's the main goal of our service. So you can book a call here. So here's our platform, valuecreator.agency. As you can see here, this is the homepage. So everything about our platform is already here. What we can do, what's the goal of the service. Of course, when we say goal, it is to increase the revenue of our clients. So what we can offer as a platform is we have verified clients, smart matching, we have direct contacts in terms of the brands. And of course, the most important thing is having contacts with marketing agency. That way, we can also provide another pipeline for your goal. In terms of other features, we have CRM. You can record here your project details, manage it properly in terms of the deadline, what you need to do, and when you should do it. We have also email feature here where you can send direct emails from our platform towards your contact person. When you say Campaign Hub or Campaign Partners, in here you will see all of our database which will be separated by verified brands and not verified. When we say verified brands, this is the brands that run campaigns, run ads, use creatives, or influencers. That way, we know that this brand runs campaign or also they have budget for marketing. As of today, we serve more than 80 creators since I started. I think that's it for today. I'm so happy that I'm introducing this to you. This is a big milestone for me. So I started small, now we are growing, and hopefully we will discuss each features available in our platform. What's the goal? What's the idea and how it can help you as a creator?